Even people who don't like chicken will love this recipe. There is no way to resist. Let's start by cutting 3 chicken breasts like that, without dividing the chicken. It's going to look like this. Booking. In a bowl, we will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Also add 60 milliliters of soy sauce. Add a tablespoon of salt, black pepper to taste. Add a tablespoon of rosemary, half a tablespoon of coloring, tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 bay leaves, 3 crushed cloves of garlic. Now we are going to mix very well. Let's move on to the chicken breasts here. This seasoning will make the difference in this recipe. Let the chicken marinate for approximately 30 minutes. In a bowl, add 2 red onions cut into rings. On top of this onion, I will add 2 cut and sliced tomatoes. I will add them this way. Then I'll add all the chicken breasts. Let's put it in the oven at 200 degrees for approximately 30 minutes. Our chicken is already roasted. Let's make it even juicier by adding 200 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Now I'll put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. Our chicken is ready. Now the best moment has come. Let's try it to see how this delicacy turned out.